Hello. So, yeah, you have read the title correct. In this video, I am going to tell you the ways to completely change your life. The following actions might not directly lead up to a change, but the consequences it brings with them, those definitely will affect your life. I'm not guaranteeing if it's going to be a good change or if it's going to be a bad change, but definitely it will bring a change. So, first of all, I'm going to tell you about how how to commit these actions. These actions can be online. These actions can be offline. These actions can be in private, in public. You do need some witnesses around yourself while committing these actions, because uh, those are the people who are going to establish concrete evidences against you or for you, so that the consequences might get to you, right? So the first way, which I'm going to tell you, is um, racial abuse. Yes, you heard that right. So racially abusing someone might sound very non-consequential, right? But you can do that, and that is literally going to change your life, right? क्योंकि जब मैं छोटा था एंड मुझे जब लोग काला बोलते थे, अभी भी बोलते हैं, सो दे नो कितना अच्छा वो लाइफ में कर रहे हैं, टू ईच ऑफ देयर ओन. मतलब उन्हें पता है कि अब उनकी लाइफ कैसी है. इट्स नॉट द सेम, राइट? मतलब एक मेरा दोस्त था, वो किसी को दिखता नहीं है क्योंकि उसने मेरे को काला बोला था, तो अब पता नहीं वो कहाँ है. एंड यू नो, पार्थ नाम था उसका. Second, second is making casteist remarks on someone. Yes, you heard that right too. आप पब्लिकली लोग को कास्ट के बेस पे इंसल्ट करिए, एंड your life is not going to be the same as it is now, right? You have to go to court and the whole thrilling experience आपके साथ होगा. So that is not normal, right? That is something for a change. A change is a good thing, right? So yeah, आप लोग पे कास्टिस्ट रिमार्क मार सकते हैं. आप अपर कास्ट को अपर कास्ट की भी आप बुराई कर सकते हैं, लोअर कास्ट की. तो या, यू कैन डू दैट. Life won't be the same after that. Third way is you can roam around with minors. And with minors, I mean, you know, yeah, text them, go out with them, have fun with them. And when their parents will catch you, your life is not going to be the same. So, yeah, that's the third way. Fifth way, misogyny. Yes, you can spread misogyny around the internet, offline, in your workspace, and pass sexist comments. And through that, you can achieve a change. Yeah, you will be fired from your work, which is going to be a thrilling experience, because next you have to find a work with that misogynistic label on your head. How fun is that, right? Like, कौन नहीं चाहता to have a thrilling experience like that? So that was fourth. Fifth is like being successful, steady, get placed, blah blah blah, code, do work, blah. Boring. Will change, but boring. सभी कर रहे हैं. I won't recommend that. That is not a very happening way of bringing a change in your life, right? ये तो सभी करते हैं. It requires मेहनत टूटी फूटी, blah 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 blah. I don't like that. Yeah, so those were the 5 ways through which you can change your life. Again, I can't guarantee if it's going to be a good change or a bad change, but I can guarantee that it's going to change. Yeah, so that's about it. And again, the song of the week is any song by Drake views album. And you can listen to Nine is a very good song. I don't know how many of you have listened to it, but Nine is a very nice song. Like in all those reels and edits, Nine is pretty evident in that space. यस, यू कैन लिसन टू दैट। या सो बहुत रात हो गई है एंड मेरा कोई मूड था नहीं ये वीडियो बनाने का, बट आई हैड टू मेक इट बिकॉज मैं जब गाड़ी चला रहा था तो आई हैड दिस क्रेजी आइडिया कि मे बी आई वुड मेक आयरनी आयरनी करूँगा मैं ऑनलाइन आके, एंड दैट इज़ वॉट दिस इज़ वॉट आई एम डूइंग अभी। एंड माई लाइफ इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट गोइंग टू बी द सेम आफ्टर मेकिंग दिस वीडियो, बिकॉज क्या पता फ्यूचर में मैं कहीं प्लेस हो जाऊँ एंड कहीं से मेरा हेटर मेरी सक्सेस देख के जले एंड ये वीडियो रिसरफेस हो जाए एंड मैं कैंसिल हो जाऊँ। सो या बट उसके लिए पहले मैं सक्सेसफुल तो हो जाऊँ। सो ठीक है, वो सब तो देखा जाएगा, अब छोटी मोटी बातों से इतना कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है। या सो दैट्स अबाउट इट एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीक ऑफ अपलोडिंग। एंड तब तक के लिए आप अपने घर वालों का ख्याल रखिए, अपने आसपास वालों का ख्याल रखिए, क्योंकि दोज आर द पीपल दैट वी हैव अर्नड। या वही हमारी कमाई है। ठीक है, तो तब तक के लिए बाय। विल मीट यू सून।